Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name's Asifananta. I am a nursing student at Unisa Bandung. In this video, I will explain tips and tricks structure expression in TOEFL. In this TOEFL test, you will test for understanding, listening comprehension, structure and written expression, and then reading comprehension. But here I will only discuss structure expression skill 7 to skill 10. What about structure? Structure is a multiple choice question that knowledge of grammar is required. So, in working on the sentence, we must focus on 1. Learn the sentence. To analyze what types of answer are we need to complete the sentence. 2. Learn every answer in completing the sentence. Discuss the answer that you think is not correct in completing the sentence. 3. If analyzing the answer, don't dispose answer wrong without matching them with sentence. Skill 7. Non-clause connector. Non-clause is sentence that function as an object. The noun clause in the sentence becomes an object after the verb to verb. It if follow the verb or as the object the preposition. It if follows preposition. The connector consists of what, when, where, why, who, whatever, and if, and then that. To clarity, we can look at example below. The citizens worry about blah 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 is doing. A. What the government. B. The government. C. It. D. What the government eat. In this question like this, the answer A. But do you know why the answer can be A? Let's discuss. First, we have find subject and verb. So, citizens is subject and worry is verb. So, next we analyze the answer. A. But the government has the connector what and subject the government. B. The government have a subject the government. C. It have a subject it. And then D. But the government it is the connector because it has two subject what is doing. So the answer correct in question is A, because to get the correct answer, the sentence sequence is subject and connector between two sentences, and then A, what the government, because has connector what and subject the government. Skill 8. Non-clause connector or subject. Connector, a non-clause other than as a listen, can also be a subject. The connector consists of who, what, and which. The company we repeat for blah 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 having what the economy. A. It. B. The problem. C. What. D. When. Just like the previous example, this question already has the answer C. But do you know why the answer can be C? First, we have to read the question with focus and determine subject and verb. So read the question that the company we repeat for blah 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 happened with the economy. And then the word subject is the company and verb is happened. So next analyzing the answer. A. It is a subject but not connectors. B. The problem is subject but not connector. C. What? It is a connector and can be used as subject. D. When or as connector but cannot be a subject. So the answer correct in question is C, because to get correct answer, the sentence requires a subject and connectors between two sentences. Skill 7. Adjective non-clause connector. An adjective non-clause is a sentence that describes a noun because the sentence is an adjective. It is separate declarative with the noun clause be described. So, the connector consists of who from the people, which from things, that from people, and from things. A good job example of this is the job blah 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 started yesterday was rather difficult. A. B. B. C. C. After D. That B. In a question like this, the answer is D. But do you know why the answer can be D? Let's discuss. First, we have find two subject and verb. So the word subject is the job and verb is started. From the result of the analysis found that takes a connector card and subject from the second sentence in the middle of the first sentence. Next, analyzing the answer. A. When is a subject but not connector. B. C is a subject but not connector. C. After. It is a connector and can be used as subject. D. That he. It is a connector and can be used as subject. So, the correct answer is D. Salah. Skill 10. Adjective non-clause connector and subject. This trick is in participle the same as the trick 9, but sometimes the connector can function as subject. Types of connector that function as the subject is who, which, and that. The consist connector is who from people, which from things, that from people or things. The good example of this is blah 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 just drove off a package for you is my sister. A. The woman. B. The woman who. C. Because the woman. D. With the woman. In a question like this, the answer is B. But do you know why the answer can be? But do you know why the answer can be? Let's discuss. First, find the subject and verb. So, from result, the analyze that both two sentences require each subject in each sentence. The sentence started just drop off package, the blank answer, and the sentence is to my sister. Therefore, we need the connectors word between sentence. A. The woman has a subject but does not have its connector. B. The woman who has a subject and has a connector. C. Because the woman has a subject and a connector, but the connector because is an adverb, not an adjective. D. With the woman has a subject and has a preposition. But the correct answer in question is B, the woman who, because has a subject and has a connector. Let me end by saying when we will start working on the TOEFL structured question, we must stay focused, always pay attention and analyzing every word of the question as will from the answer choice. And we have to be able to see which are keywords or not. That's all my explanation, the structured expression. Thank you for attention. Sorry if there are still shortcomings in delivery. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.